In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable WooCommerce blocks. This guide was originally crafted by our fellow creator Nans on December 18th, 2024, and today I'll be walking you through the process step by step, ensuring that it's easy to follow and clear for everyone. First things first, let's dive straight into your WordPress account. You'll want to navigate to your dashboard. This is essentially the control room of your website where all the magic happens. Here you can find everything you need to manage your site, from posts and pages to plugins and settings. Once you're in your dashboard, head over to the plugins section. Here's where WordPress really shows its flexibility. Plugins are essentially add-ons that allow you to add new features to your site or extend the functionality of existing ones. You're looking for an option titled Add New Plugin. This button is your key to unlocking a world of possibilities, including the solution we're focusing on today. After clicking on Add New Plugin, you'll be presented with a search bar. This is your tool to sift through the vast expanse of WordPress plugins available. In this search bar, type in WP Code. WP Code is a powerful plugin that allows you to insert custom code snippets into your website without having to mess around with theme files. It's an essential tool for anyone looking to customize their site with minimal hassle. Following your search, Install Now will appear as an option next to the WP Code plugin. Click it. This action cues WordPress to start downloading and installing the plugin onto your site. It's a process that might take a minute or two, so this is a perfect moment to grab a quick sip of your favorite beverage. Now, with WP Code installed, the next step is crucial: activation. On the same page where Install Now was formerly displayed, you should now see an Activate button. Click on this button to get WP Code up and running on your site. Activation is like turning the key in your car's ignition. It's what sets everything into motion. With WP Code activated, you're almost at the finish line. But before we conclude, there's one more vital step. On the plugins page, you'll find an option titled Code Snippets. This might appear slightly repetitive because you'll need to click on Code Snippets not just once but twice. It's not a glitch in the matrix. Clicking it the first time takes you to the introductory page of the code snippets within WP Code, and the second time leads you to where you can actually begin to manage and insert your code snippets. By following these steps, you've successfully navigated the process of installing and activating a plugin that can disable WooCommerce blocks by using custom code snippets. What comes next is inserting the specific code snippet that disables WooCommerce blocks into WP Code, ensuring it's implemented on your site. This part requires a bit of coding knowledge, but with WP Code you're in safe hands. It creates a safer environment for adding custom code, reducing the risk of errors that could potentially break your site. And there you have it. You've just navigated through the process of disabling WooCommerce blocks on your WordPress site. Remember, while plugins and code snippets offer powerful ways to customize your site, it's always a good practice to back up your site before making significant changes. This ensures that, should anything go awry, you have a safety net to fall back on. We hope this tutorial has been helpful in guiding you through each step of the process. Whether you're looking to streamline your site's performance, customize the shopping experience, or simply declutter your page layouts, disabling WooCommerce blocks can significantly contribute to achieving those goals. Remember, the world of WordPress is vast and infinitely customizable. With the right tools and a bit of guidance, there's no limit to what you can create. Happy customizing.